Hey everybody, there's Pookie. She's all flipped out because I had it got so smoky out here that it set the alarms off. I'm cooking a steak and I had some hamburger that I needed to cook up. This is how I spend my kick-ass Friday night. Look at that steak. Look at that steak. Put a little Worcestershire sauce on it. That's how Bubba Clem spends his Friday. Right out here in the back. Look how smoky it's getting. Oh, it's bad. Woo, it's bad. Whew. Whew. Look how smoky it is. Whew. How my hamburger's looking. I like my hamburgers a little rare. That's a little too rare. It's tough shit. It's tough to work the camera in the grill and not get burned. All right, there's my hamburgers. They're all solid. I got onions in my eye because I had me a little onions. How's that steak looking? Oh. Look at that steak. Put a little Old Bay on it. A little Worcestershire. That's solid. That's solid straight up, cuz. Oh. Need to knock that fire down a little bit. Oh. Look at that steak, cousins. Oh, it's a nice looking steak. I'm going to smash that right down to the surface. Right there, that's my favorite. All right, well, I'm going to eat this steak. Then I'm going to put the hamburgers in the refrigerator, and I'll eat them by Monday or so. Whew. My eyes, because I peeled these onions and I had a couple on my eyes. What do you think about that, fellas? Leave me your comments. Also, don't forget to subscribe and follow my channel, because I'll be live in Indiana. I'll be going live to Indiana. I'll be going live in Indiana a lot for New Year's Eve.